Now this question talks about perimeter. So what I'm going to do is work out the perimeter of the small square and then work out the perimeter of the large square and link them together using this sentence here. So the perimeter of the small square is x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4 and x plus 4, which when added together gets me 4x plus 16. So that's the small square, and the perimeter of the large square is 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4, which altogether will give me 12x plus 16. Now, the question says the perimeter of the small square is 2/3 of the perimeter of the large square, which means I'd need to times the large square by 2/3 in order to get the small square. Now, having got that equation, that leads me to basically 2 marks, one for getting one of these expressions and the other one for linking them together. So I've now got to start expanding it and getting all the way down to x equals to find out the length of x. Now I've got a couple of ways I can do it. I could expand all of this through by 2/3, and 2/3 of 12 is fine, but 2/3 of 16 isn't so brilliant. You've got a calculator though, so feel free to use it if you wanted. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to multiply this side by 3, which will get me 3 lots of 4x plus 16 equals 2 lots of 12x plus 16, because I like to keep things in whole numbers. So that gives me 12x plus 48 is 24x plus 32. So rearranging things now, the 12x is going to come over to this side to get me 12x on that side. So I'm going to minus 12x off both sides. Then I'm also actually going to minus the 32 because the 12x is over here. So take the 32 off that side, and that should end up leaving me with 48 minus 32, 16. At which point that will then give me 16 over 12 equals x. And 16 over 12, I'll cancel it down, 8/6, which is 3 and 4. So x comes out to be 4/3. Now it says work out the length of a side of the small square. Well, the small square is x plus 4, and so therefore it's 4/3 plus 4. Now remember, this is 1 and 1/3, so my answer is 5 and 1/3. You can leave it in this format or top heavy or as a decimal with a recurring fraction. The choice is yours.